Are you the best facial scrubs? Facial scrubs are a cornerstone of effective skincare routines, offering exfoliation that removes dead skin cells, unclogs pores, and improves skin texture. With a wide range of options on the market, choosing the right scrub can be daunting. Our methodology involves testing each product for exfoliation effectiveness, gentleness, ingredient quality, and overall user experience. Productman, Aveeno Positively Radiant Skin Brightening. Aveeno's Positively Radiant Skin Brightening Scrub is designed for daily use and targets uneven skin tone and texture. Featuring moisture-rich soy extract and naturally derived granules, this scrub promises gentle exfoliation while boosting radiance. Its soap-free, oil-free, and hypoallergenic formula makes it suitable for sensitive skin, aligning with Aveeno's dermatologist-recommended reputation. In practice, the soy extract provides noticeable hydration, leaving skin soft and supple after use. The granules are gentle enough for everyday exfoliation without causing irritation, making it ideal for those with sensitive skin. However, users with oily skin may find the hydration slightly heavy. Overall, it delivers consistent results for improving skin tone and texture. Product 2. Aure Brightening Facial Scrub for a youthful. The Aure Brightening Facial Scrub is crafted with sea kelp, French green clay, and lemon peel for a nutrient-rich exfoliation experience. This vegan and cruelty-free scrub is designed to detoxify and brighten skin, making it a popular choice for eco-conscious consumers. Its finely ground botanicals provide a gentle yet effective exfoliation. During testing, the scrub excelled at removing dull skin and improving overall clarity. The French green clay helps absorb excess oil, making it suitable for combination skin. However, those with dry skin may need to follow up with a moisturizer due to its slightly drying effect. It offers a balance of exfoliation and nourishment, though its price point is higher for the quantity provided. Product number: DRMG Microdermabrasion Facial Scrub. DRMG's Microdermabrasion Scrub is a premium offering that combines exfoliation with skin refinement. Featuring non-abrasive pumice granules and natural extracts like sugarcane, green tea, and lemon. It targets acne scars, blackheads, and uneven skin texture. Its dual use as a scrub and mask adds versatility to its appeal. This scrub delivers exceptional results for those seeking a polished complexion. The pumice granules are gentle yet effective, making it suitable for sensitive skin. The formula noticeably improves skin texture and tone, though its small 2-ounce size and $20 price tag may deter budget-conscious buyers. Ideal for users prioritizing performance over cost. Product 4. Neutrogena Deep Clean Gentle Daily Facial Scrub. Neutrogena's Deep Clean Gentle Scrub is formulated for oily skin, featuring beta-hydroxy acid to penetrate and unclog pores. Its creamy, foaming texture provides a thorough cleanse, while gentle exfoliators remove dull skin cells. Dermatologist-tested and oil-free, this scrub is designed for daily use. The beta-hydroxy acid excels at combating clogged pores, making this scrub particularly effective for oily and acne-prone skin. Its creamy lather feels luxurious, though users with dry or sensitive skin may find it slightly harsh. Overall, it provides excellent pore-cleansing results at an affordable price. Product 9. St. Ives Fresh Skin Apricot Face Scrub. St. Ives Fresh Skin Apricot Scrub offers deep exfoliation with 100% natural walnut shell powder and apricot extract. Known for its budget-friendly price, this scrub promises glowing skin and an even complexion. It is paraben-free, oil-free, and certified cruelty-free, making it accessible to a wide range of consumers. Despite its affordability, the walnut shell powder can be abrasive for sensitive skin, making it better suited for occasional use rather than daily application. The apricot extract leaves skin feeling refreshed, though it may not provide the hydration needed for dry skin types. Overall, it's a solid choice for budget-conscious users seeking deep exfoliation.